We believe in young people. We want to be about solutions rather than just complaining about problems.
Unity in Chicago would mean the need for us to look out for the least of these, that is those who have the least.
Unity in Chicago, to me, is making sure that each community has adequate resources, each community is equally represented, and that each community is loved and served the way every other community is served in the city.
Unity looks like what today looked like when my family, my friends, everyone showed up to support Pursue Scholars.
There's so much power, there's so much uniqueness just from neighborhood to neighborhood to neighborhood to neighborhood to neighborhood. And if we can find a way to unite all of that, Chicago can be one of the more powerful cities in the world.
Walk for the person you don't know. Walk for the community you don't know, you don't see, you don't drive to every day. That's what's gonna make a difference. That's what Pursuing Unity is all about. We made it.